showing another scenario that is very common scenario. Most of the time, both one couple of developers working in a same file. Then how can we solve your problem? Okay, so now if I you see in page 1 text is a page 7 also present. If I add 8 and 9 and save it and commit again, git add dot sorry git add dot git commit hyphen m txt file 8 9 added. Okay, so in your another teammate also working the same file, I can edit this and they added page 8 page 11 or something. Okay, so he also committed done. Now I am going to push my code, same rejected, and we know when we are pulling our code must write hyphen r in the end of the line, that is the rebase. And you see the rebase is complete but a conflict is count there. And that the editor, every editor has some control how can we resolve your merge conflict. Okay, so here is my line except current except incoming uh, except current changes. Okay, so I suppose I added this. Okay, or this, where is the code present in server 8 and 21 and how I write page 9. Okay, so except both changes. Okay, so after cut this and paste this. Okay, so I changes it. If I git status, you see a modified file also present. I add this file. Without commit this file, I need to run this command git rebase continue. Okay, and click the git rebase continue. Sorry, git spelling mistake. Git rebase continue, and they're seeing us the txt file 89 added. So I click OK, no problem. So again, without committing, I again git push origin main. Okay, code is push here, and you see in the tutorial part and the commit part, you see the both commit is present but not any type of commit that the name is merge branch. This type of scenario is not present there. Okay, so I show you the two factor also. If the different file working your teammate and the server has some updated code, how can you get your updated code? Okay, and how and both of the developer is working the same file and conflict arise, how can you solve this problem without uh, generating any this type of system generated commit, conflict resolve commit. Okay, so okay, you learn very interesting concept. Most of the time, most of the developer, if you check someone, if you discuss someone, 95% developer mistake this scenario, and you see their commits has more and more this type of commit is present their version control repository. Okay, bye bye.